Hi guys, this is Shashank Joshi and today I'm going to unbox MSI GF63 laptop which I bought it from Flipkart. Let's do it. So let's open this card box which I have received from the delivery boy and I'm eagerly waiting to see the monster inside this box. So are you guys ready to see it? I'm very excited to see it. Here is the MSI box which I will take out, and on the top of it, on the side of it, you can see this GF63 Thin 9S CXR Red TN Chennai. From Chennai it has come, and here is the price 64,915 which I bought Core i7 9 generation. So I have taken out this box inside the MSI, and this black color box is very good, True Gaming MSI. And let's see what's inside. It's the laptop, and first it's the how to open it for the first time. And here is the adapter things, chargers, and I'm taking out the cover which has covered this laptop. Here is the few things which I will not show now, but I will show it afterwards. Here I am opening this laptop. Oh my god, the dragon is on the top of the laptop, and see the screen, man. How is it? It's, oh my god, the keyboard is like radium shining. I have connected the laptop to the charger point, and see this. I'm opening this laptop. Just wait a few seconds. So I have already created my account, so let's see. Here, no, I will not log in it. I already downloaded some of the games here so that graphics can be visualized. Here you can see this thing like Dragon Center here. So in this Dragon Center you can actually see the performance of it. You can see the gaming mode is on, and I'm turning it off. And the monitor, what's the monitor is? You can see the actually CPU usage 15%, 9% is used, and you can see the RAM is of 8 GB, and you can actually check the LAN Wi-Fi at 4 bits per second. Just now it came, and 34 bytes, 732 bytes, almost 1000 bytes per second. And here it's the memory 59%. Actually I have downloaded some of the games, that's why it is almost 50%. And see the CPU temperature is 42 degrees, and you can check all those stuff here. I'm going to show how the graphic actually is there, how the programming the processor is, and is there any lag playing this game. As this laptop is for gaming, let's just play this game Fortnite and see how it actually is. I am just launching it. Let's wait for a few seconds. I have never seen any lag in the gameplay. As far as I have played, almost few games, like 10 or so games for now. And let's see, it's taking a minute, actually more than a minute. Let's see what has happened. First time, because the charging is down, I think that's the problem. I have played it before before again opening this laptop, and you can see the Fortnite this display coming. It's connecting. Wait for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. So I will show you the graphics of this game, and I'm recording myself and playing it in fast mode so that you won't be bored by this. So let's do it. So here is the gameplay. You can see the graphics. It's very good graphics, and there is no lag here. And I have just jumped, and you can see how I am playing this game. And here I will stop. So here I am taking the PDB ID of my globin and using it in Chimera software for molecular docking. Here I already have the protein, and I am coloring it, using it for the docking purpose. You can see the graphics and all stuff, and use it for molecular docking purpose. So for now you have seen the MSI GF63 laptop, and specifications you can see this. I'm reading out. It's RAM 8 GB RAM, and it's for system type is 64-bit operating system, and it's Intel Core i7 with 2.60 GHz. Processor is 9750 Hz CPU, and the edition is Windows 10 with version 20H2, and various things. You can see the graphics is for 4 GB and 4 GB, and the RAM is 8 GB. And again, you have NVIDIA control panel, and you can see you can actually see how exactly this system works. So definitely it's a very good laptop for me, and it has a warranty of 2 years. That's great, because I have seen many laptops only give 1 year warranty, but for this it's for 2 year warranty, and for 64,900 you get this terrific laptop. It's a must buy. I have seen this in Flipkart, and directly I was thinking, wow, I should buy this. This is how I decided. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, subscribe this channel for various kinds of videos.